found a Bureau of Land Management marker, whatever it means. See? Pretty cool. Okay. We found our camp spot for the night. Or moo. Or the cow in there. This is my view right now. What do you think, huh? Pretty cool? There's a few people out here, but that's okay. I don't know what kind of sundown we're going to get because it's going to go down fast over there and we won't be able to see it. Maybe some color over the ridge. There's the back of the famous Indian bread rock loaf. And if you can see out that way in the valley out there, desert, there's a little town of Bowie. Nothing in the whole dang town, man. All they had was this one little mom and pop store, and you drive through and ring the bell, and a lady comes to the window if you want to order like that. You can go in, but I just rang the thing, and then she came to the window, and you know, I was asking her all kind of questions, but it's pretty cool that they have something like that. She's making money, man. But here's my camp. There's people over there, but that's cool. Here comes a crow or something, see him? Maybe a hawk. Nope, it's a raven, I heard it. But it's nice and quiet. We had a small sprinkle. Oh, it looks like it's raining over there real good. Rain at the bread rocks. Yuki, look. Yuki, look. Yuki. She won't look. She knows she's being filmed. Pretty views. These rocks look a little slippery today. We've had a little bit of light showers and stuff. Enough to make me want to get out of here and not be stuck in here. Because that looks like a real heavy storm cloud coming. Some more of the storm cloud pics. Come on. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Yuki. I'm always stepping on her leash. There's the famous rock up there. This is my second campsite at Indian Bread Rocks. Just me and the cows. Good. The wind's cleared up and that dust, whatever they call it, that made the sky dark went away. We've got a little bit of a sunset. Cool. Indian Bread Rocks. Such a pretty evening. Yuki had to go poop over there. Yuki, what are you doing? Come here, come here. Yuki, come here. Sticks for me. Hey, get out of there, get out of there. Indian Bread Rocks looking very pretty today. Yeah. Coyotes yipping in the background. Good morning from the Indian Bread Rocks. We've got a little light taps of rain this morning, but not much. I hope it doesn't pour down here because I love the sizzle. Good job, Yuki. Good job. Come here. Come on. Yuki, they're just saying, they just came to say goodbye. See?